Man, dude, I don't even know how many of these videos I've uploaded that don't even have audio because normally I don't rewatch the videos. I just kind of like make the videos and study um, whatever it is that I did right or wrong for the day. But um, here's what I did today. Today is a high. There's a lot of news today, so I wasn't planning on taking any trades. But I saw one that was just like an easy dub. So I'll show you the news though, and then this also represents like how great these indicators are, like how helpful they are. Because I mean, this could have been a trade, this could have been one, this could have been one. Not so much these because they didn't really reach the area they needed to. This one I guess you could have taken one, but I don't know. Here's how I start looking at it. Yesterday was nutsack. This is a pretty crazy spread. That's like a 50-point spread here. So that's a fucking solid day, dude. If you could have caught this move here, that's like a month's worth of pay, even if you have like a $25,000 account. Alright, so let's go to the 5-minute. We're still bullish, you know, like higher low kind of, higher low. This is just the basics here. This is like trending for dummies. This is kind of fucked up. This is weird. This is just moving sideways. So that's hard to work with. Let me show you the news though. This is today. So look at all this. Like, this is 15 minutes after market open, so you know, that's some PMI, and then Trump speaks, and then I don't know what the fuck Richmond Manufacturing Index is, but then Powell speaks, and then they're gonna fuck with the rate cuts today, I think, or something. Something's happening with the news, right? And then Trump speaks again. So today is just a gnarly day to be risking your money. So I'm not trading my live account, that's for sure. And I'm trying to be profitable for several weeks before I trade live, and it's getting to the point where I'm just catching dubs like pretty much every day. So I'll probably start trading live really soon. I wanted to start this week, but I'm not in a rush. Like, I'm trying to do this for the rest of my life, so I'm I'm practicing, dude. I'm like trying to master the craft or whatever. So let's go to the 1 minute now, though. So that was my bias for the day. I was like, we're bullish, but I mean, we're just kind of moving sideways. Like, there's no clear direction within the past Asia London kind of zone. I think we could easily move down, but you know, whatever. So I marked out these levels to work with. Like I said, there's all these bounces off of this London high. Didn't take any of them, just kind of watched. And this, for me, this was more of a learning day to see how price reacts to news, or how it can react to news. Sometimes it reacts like crazy, like price moves really fast all over the place. That's not what happened today, though. I don't understand why that is, or like, I can't explain that. I just don't know enough about that. Like, I haven't watched price with news, and normally I just don't even look at my computer. But so anyways, so price moved down and it bounced off of the London low. So I was like, okay, well, if it's gonna be moving sideways like this, like it has been during Asia, London, it's just bouncing kind of in between these zones. I was like, all right, well, we might get a couple points here. So I think I entered on this candle. No, I think it was actually this candle because I remember price went down a little and it made me nervous that it was going to break through this zone, and my stop loss would have been somewhere probably around here or here, you know. Um, yeah, so this is where I longed this position and then got 3.25 points, and then I just exited because this bar, like, it stopped out and then it kind of stopped moving. So I was like, all right, done. So somewhere around like here, maybe even there. So that's about 150 bucks, 180 something. So yeah, just the bounce is that's all that is, and nothing fancy here really. I'm just kind of copying what's been happening, like right there, right there, right here, right here, right here, right here, right there. There's a bunch of examples just within the past 12 hours or whatever. Alright, peace.